What's going on, everybody? Hopefully you had a good afternoon. You were able to eat your lunch, get your work done, whatever you gotta do. And we are back. Market kind of trying to rebound a little bit, sitting sideways, I guess. Not too much action this afternoon, but I mean, what can you expect? After being down this morning, it's all right. We're trying to claw our way back. Hopefully, we get it in the next 15 minutes. If not, we've always got tomorrow. Frank, man, first in the chat, as always. What's going on? We got Keith in here as well. Frank and Keith. Paul, that one dude, Frank, Keith, Paul, Kianush. We've got Outdoor Smile, Devil's Advocate in here, Frodo, Victor, Outdoor Smile, Paul, Frank, Victor, Frodo, Outdoor Smile, yes, and we are here. All right, caught up on that one. Very good to go. Nothing else to do. Very nice. Was it WhatsApp Clay? Something just working? Yes. Who do you call? What do you call that time? What do you call that time? I don't even know. Where are we going, Wizard? Who's Wizard? Oh, let's go. Let's do it, man. Let's get it. Let's go into the market and see what's going on right now. We've got AMC trying to claw its way back, sitting at $22.50. Bouncing, I guess, off that $21 line and then trying to claw its way back this afternoon, sitting down 1.96% on the day. Shiba, after, my goodness, where was the low down here? 2,600 points per coin. After bouncing on that low of 2,600 points per coin, currently sitting at 26.64. Personally, I do not believe we are out of the woods yet. GameStop, bottom right, you might not be able to see it. We were at 123 earlier, sitting at 128.69 right now. And Prague, after having a pretty hard day, kind of low volume it looks like with all these, I would say, barcodes going on right here. Currently sitting at $1.91 per share, down 0.78% on the day. And then we get the Nasdaq. Really, the Nasdaq's coming back pretty nice. It was down nearly 2% earlier. Maybe a little more than 2%. I didn't see it. It's absolute low. And it's sitting down 0.33% right now. Farmy down almost 3%. GameStop talked about it. And then Shib, all crypto getting hit pretty hard today. So hopefully, okay, before you guys yell at me, I got to silence because nobody texts me until I go live. So let's do that. Good afternoon, Nick F. Let's see. Intermission. I'm going to silence. Be right back. We good? I think that was Nick F. Texting me just so he could yell silence. That's my B-Day. Outdoor Smile. What's your B-Day, man? What's up, Clay, bro? Is it time? JJ. I don't know, man. You tell me. Is it time? Time for what, JJ? Time for what? I do not know. What's the deal with January 15th? Do you know what's happening with Robinhood? So, A-OK. I do not know exactly what's going to be happening with Robinhood on January 15th. But they did say that the middle of January, and I don't know if they announced an actual date yet, so I don't know if January 15th is the date. But they did say that mid to late January, they will be releasing the beta for their cryptocurrency wallets. Now, I don't know if people are speculating that that's the day they will be listing Shiba Inu coin, or if anything, along those terms are, I guess, being rumored out there right now. But, according to Robinhood, all they have said is mid to late January, we will see the beta release of the cryptocurrency wallets. That does not guarantee that we will get one. That does not guarantee that Shiba Inu coin will be listed. It actually guarantees nothing. But we should see the beta release soon. So, man, that might be it. Stupid Bitcoin is still falling. Russell, I'm telling you, man, that's what we got to keep our eye on. All right, we got to watch Bitcoin. If Bitcoin continues to fall, could be bad news. Now, it bounced off that $39,600 level. Let's see if we can find it in here. Bounced off this level and is trying to come back up. Now, if we run into resistance in this area right here, where we were trading sideways yesterday, if we run into resistance and turn back to the downside, it could get dangerous. Let's look at the daily chart. If we break this $30,000 level, if we break this level right in here, which is what we're testing right now, $40,000 level. If we go back down into the 30s, very high likelihood that we could go all the way down to 30 before we see support again. I know you guys can see this on this chart. Let's see. No, I don't have Bitcoin on the big chart. I don't think I did. but it didn't see it. So you can see here that we are retesting this level of support. Boom, boom, we got it back in here. This is a decent level of support at 40,000, 39, 41, whatever. If we break this, I always forget that he goes all the way over to this side of the screen. If we break this level right in here, we could absolutely see Bitcoin come back down and retest this level. So these are two major levels of support that we've got on Bitcoin. We are right here. We are right here. The wick broke down through it, but we bounced back up. If we just fall apart, we can see a decline all the way back down to 30,000. So I need you guys to keep that in mind. If that happens, very high likelihood that all cryptos are going to follow. That includes Shiba Inu coin. So we need to keep our eye on Bitcoin as well. All right, back there. Where do we come up with these? Oh, that's the daily. Never mind. Probably didn't need to take those off. JJ! Yes, JJ does know what time it is. JJ says, it's time to get hard. Like a diamond. Thank you very much, JJ. Absolutely appreciate that diamond super sticker there. Anybody else hard like a diamond out there? It's time, man. It's time, JJ. Thank you very much, man. What's up, Danelle? Danelle, what's going on? And that was messed up, Clay. That was messed up. My phone and TV were both blaring, Clay. Not just my TV. All good here. Let's get this dip. Let's do it, that one, dude. Now, that's really good that both your phone and your TV are blaring, Clay. That's what it should be doing, man. 2 devices. Does this count as 2 views, or does that only count as 1 view? Now, I don't even know, man. 2 views or 1? Got me tripping. About 20 more at 22.50. Very nice, Victor. Tuesday and Wednesday, the Fed will announce some bad news, which will either tank the market more or just keep us where we are now. Il Shingan. What do we got coming out Tuesday and Wednesday from the Fed? We don't have any Fed meetings this week, do we? We get Fed meetings this week? Well, we do have Mr. Jerome Powell talking there. And then we get more inflation coming out on Wednesday. So, yes, you are correct. We got a speech from Powell at 10 a.m. tomorrow. And then 8:30 a.m. on Wednesday, we got inflation numbers coming out. So, we got to keep an eye on those. I'll show you guys. No! I don't know what that was. Alright, so you guys can see Tuesday, January 11th at 10 a.m. Fed Chair Powell is going to be testifying. And then 8:30 Wednesday morning, inflation data coming out. So we got to keep an eye on all of that, guys. Let's see. AMC recapture the Frank line of 22.50. Very nice, Frank. What's up to know? Yo, I bought 20 more. Saw that. I'm like number 9. Spider, you like number 9? Good deal. At the floor, getting ready to hit the basement. Yeah, that one, dude. We are we're in a pretty big trench right now. I'm not gonna lie. Barcoding question. How do you have like 4 candles in a row be green but no price change? Asking about Prague. Okay, let's see those 4 candles there. These 4 candles here, if we change the candlestick design. So with these hollow candles right here, we can see the close is at 1905, 1905, 1905. They're just leaving it green since it was not a loss. So you got a red one right here, 1902, 190, and then this green close at 1905 again. They're leaving it green if it is if there's no price change. If it doesn't decline, it's green. But it's hard to see with hollow candles, so we're lighting them up. Yes, Fed stuff on Wednesday. Well, I don't know if we had Fed stuff on Wednesday, right? We got a Fed talk. We get the Fed talking tomorrow, and we got inflation data on Wednesday. Was there more? I don't know if there's more being reported on Wednesday after the inflation. The talk is supposedly tomorrow. After the Fed keeps the price down for their rich friends with these announcements, the market should start to recover. Listen, it's possible, but it really does depend on what the Fed is going to be saying. If they start talking some nonsense about inflation, man, I'm telling you, we're not going to see a recovery for quite some time. Let's talk about inflation on hoodies. Shane, let's do it, man. Let's do it. I could give you a cup. I got a cup left. No hoodies, no shirts. Can I pull money out fast with Shiba when it's high? Fashion Nation land. Yeah, you can pull money out fast when it's high. No, I mean, it depends on where you have your money, too. But, yeah, you can close it fast as you want. Clayinho, my brozinho. What's going on, Samanino? How you doing, man? Pugnacious, thank you very much for the super chat. Pugnacious says, head on over and gently apply pressure to the button of liking and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much, Pugnacious. Guys, it is true. You should do that. You should listen to Pugnacious right there. I would assume that the 48, the 50 of you that are in here right now have already gone over and clicked that subscribe button. But I know for a fact you did not click that like button. So make sure to click the like button as well. Let's see. Oh my gosh, now 2 hoodies. Dang, dude, inflation is rough these days, isn't it? Will the Webster's Dictionary definition of transitory be changing again? I have no idea. Devil's advocate, I have no idea. Yes, inflation and hoodies. We got to talk about all of them. Do you think she will add one more zero? Ibrahim. Yeah, I do, but I don't know when it will. So if you're asking if I think it's going to basically 3-4x at this point by any specific time period, no, I can't say with certainty whether or not it'll do that with any specific time period. But in the long term, yeah, man, I think you could easily see a $100 billion valuation on Shiba, as well as a lot of other coins. 'Twas a joke. Didn't the Fed change what they mean by that word like 3 times? I have no idea. They could have, man. I don't listen to the exact definitions of what they use or the exact wording that they use. In all likelihood, they probably did. But I don't know what they're going to say tomorrow. I didn't even know I didn't even know Powell was talking tomorrow. So we'll have to see what he does end up saying. It's going to be it's going to be before we go live tomorrow. All right, so we should at least know what's going on at the market open. Shiba will grow or not? Christian Jacobiuk. Yeah, I think Shiba's going to grow. Imagine if you could customize your subscription button to look like a realistic bug or hair on your screen. Fascination Land, that actually sounds like a brilliant idea. So many people would click that. Just to brush it away. Brilliant. Dang, Fascination Land, really thinking about some marketing tactics there. I like it. No, I asked, will add more zero or not? Okay, so you think it's going to take away. That is also, that's also not impossible. So let's talk about that. We do have a major level of support at 2,300 points per coin. If Shiba Inu coin and Bitcoin continue to fall, if Bitcoin falls down through this $40,000 level and starts to decline pretty heavily to 30,000. Shiba Inu coin, in my opinion, is likely to retest 1,000 if Bitcoin is testing at 30,000. So let's look at that. Shiba Inu coin on the daily, sitting right here. Now, I believe you guys can still see that. We are right here in this area. We tested the upper end of this support. We are now very likely to be retesting. We're testing this area right in here. The bottom of these candles. This is the next major level of support. Right here, it's like 2,300 points per coin. Tested it in here, kind of tested it in here. our last resort would be 2,000 points per coin. This area, right in here, touched it for 2 days. If we do not hold this line, there is a very high likelihood that we come all the way back down here to 1,000 points per coin. So this is going to be crucial. If we do not hold up this area right in here, it is very highly likely. Because look, there's no support. There's no support. We ran up so fast from 800 points per coin to 3,500 points per coin that there's no levels of support. You're talking all the way back down to here before you have, and I don't know if it's going to be a day, right? It could end up being 2, 3, 4 days, but very high likelihood of falling all the way back down to this level of support. So, like, you ask me if it will, I don't know if it will. It absolutely can. And at this point, the rate that we're declining and all of the stuff going on with the Federal Reserve, it's more likely that we add a zero before we delete a zero. We would need a complete shift in sentiment in order to go back and add it, or to delete a zero at this point. Clint, did you buy more prog? Mitch, not yet, man. Not yet. I did not buy more prog yet, but it's below that $2 level again, and oh man, it's below that $2 level. It is a good buying opportunity on prog. The next major level of support, if it does continue to break down, is $1.50, but it's a pretty good ad. My prog's still at $3.50 right now. Closing. Oh, we did close. Sorry. Pringleton, I missed it, man. What did things close at? $22.77 for AMC. Shiba sitting at $26.78. GameStop closed at $131.05. Got a nice little run going into the end of the day there. Prog was sitting sideways all afternoon. Closed at $191. Currently sits at $189. Nasdaq, I do not believe, but the Nasdaq turned around and ended up closing green on the day. Very crazy. Farmy closed at $25.03, and do not know, no after hours trades yet for Farmy apparently. And then GameStop closed. We already talked about GameStop and all that, so we'll go back up here now. All right, day's over. Today was a rough day. Now it's over. Perfect. That was epic. Me too, bro. Be very happy if Shiba is down that low after MOS. I'll be a Shiba gazillionaire. Pringleton. I don't know if it's going to go down. Like, if we squeeze, if AMC does get a lot of hype and rip higher at the end of the month because of the 1-year anniversary and things like that a lot of people have been talking about, there's a very high likelihood that crypto will be continuing its decline at that point. So there is a very high likelihood, man, that you could pick some Shiba up very cheap after the squeeze. Ape strong together. Yes, Victor gets it. Victor gets it, man. Victor gets it. Guys, I see a bunch of nonsense going on Twitter these days about people arguing and all of that stuff. Victor gets it. We are stronger together, man. Transparency Project. Thank you for grabbing that green name. Looks like you renewed it. Very nice. And becoming a little bro. Transparency Project. Thank you very much, guys. I know he was a member before. I don't know if he just renewed it, if he swapped it, or what the deal was. But welcome. I guess he says WTF. Maybe. I don't know. He's like, I thought I was. I thought you were too, man. But it says you are one right now. So thank you very much, man. Absolutely appreciate that. Darn, I got shafted on my subscription. Transparency Project. It's all right. Apparently, it came back. Apparently, it came back where you left off because you still got that icon right there. So you're doing good. You still got that. I don't know why. Dude, I don't know why they do that. Honestly, you might not even still be subscribed. So I'm going to be like, guys, just check your subscribe button. Apparently, Mr. Simon's been lying to me for like the last 6 months because he said he wasn't subscribed the other day. But YouTube does some weird things. So just make sure you guys are still subscribed if you do want to be subscribed. Congrats, Victor. Yes, welcome to Transparency Project. Boom, man. Thank you very much. For real, thank you. Conquest 3D just bought another 10,000 of AMC. I think my broker is going to have a stroke. Conquest 3D. Thank you very much for giving your broker a stroke. Thank you very much for the super chat. And Conquest, I don't know if you were in here. I guess it was Friday now. But I think Thursday you sent a super chat, and it was as the stream ended or after the stream ended that it came through. an AMC Trapper. Screenshot of that and send it to me, man. And I did say thank you. I believe it was on Friday's stream. So I do want to say thank you again, just in case you weren't here, because I never want to miss a super chat, and I had to make sure that you did hear me say thank you, because I mean, I don't want to miss one, and it came through after the stream was over with. So thank you very much, Conquest 3D. Absolutely appreciate you. You know what it is, Clay Bro. Oh yes, Isawu, what's going on, man? They shorted the green name. They did, Spider Claude. Shortened green names, shortened subscriptions, they're shortening everything these days. I don't like it. YouTube is playing games. Mr. Simon, why does YouTube's got to play games with me like that? Guys, we have a situation. Rocket never returned from his phone call. They must have killed him. No! Dude. Rocket's like the guy from Taken. Okay? I know Rocket can handle himself. Shoot, man. I get him on a phone call. It's the last dude I'm worried about. Rocket is the man. Rocket will be listening right now. What's up? Hey, bro, did you see my tweet to Chuck Liddell telling him to go to the channel? Pugnacious. I did not see that tweet, man. If Chuck Liddell comes in here, what size shirt that guy wear? Because I don't know if I have any shirts left. I have to ask him which size shirt he wears. I give Chuck Liddell a bro shirt. I think I might have like 1XL left or something. I feel like that would probably fit him. Not sure though. Chuck Liddell, I'll give you that shirt. And then anybody that can get Chuck Liddell in here, I'll give you a matching shirt too. I'll just go to the store and buy it. Conquest got a super chat fill worse than Clay's prog fill. No! Yeah, he really did though. Definitely worse than my prog fill. My prog fill was epic. It was probably the best prog fill that anybody's ever seen until it wasn't. Then it was one of the worst prog fills that anybody's ever seen. But Conquest 3D, yes, did get a pretty bad super chat fill there. So I had 10,000 to 10,000 shares. Massive difference. I think, okay, I think there should have been a $ in that super chat there. Liddell wears a schmedium. Dude, if Liddell wears a schmedium, I got one of those left. I got a small for sure. Hey, man, you think Shiba will hit an all-time high? Levi Spicer. So I do. All crypto. My neck, man. My neck has been killing me today. If you guys see me rubbing my neck, it's just, I don't know if it's because I'm like slightly looking down at the camera or what the deal is. Maybe I need to. Does this thing have a? Does this thing go lower? Maybe I need to go a little lower. I don't know. We'll see. My neck feels weird. Let's see. Definitely not large. Shane, I really don't have any larges left, man. What was I talking about? Oh, hitting an all-time high. Yeah, I do, because Shiba Inu coin has a lot of good news surrounding it. They continue to innovate on the project. The only thing is, we're in a severely risk-off scenario right now, and that's why we continue to see such declines across the board in crypto. So once that kind of works itself out, I think we're going to be a lot better off. Bloodbath for now, huge gains later. Yeah, Kyle, that's really what it's going to end up being, man. I'm back. What did I miss? Pringleton, you missed me telling you what the close was after you told me that it closed. I don't know if you saw that or not. My neck, my back, yeah. My neck hurts like that. It does, Devil's Advocate. It does. Remember the last major tanks? Even if you bought at the high, you will still be up. Time is on your side. Dang it, man. Kyle's got a good head on his shoulders. It's true, though. It's true. Even if you guys bought at the just all-time highs, and I know nobody wants to wait from 2017 to 2021, but let's say you did buy and could never average down from 2017, you'd have double your money right now. You'd have double your money on nearly, I can't say on everything, right, because some coins didn't make it, but you would have double your money on nearly everything, if not better. So if you don't have patience, I don't know, you better be very disciplined. I can't believe of all the songs I send you, that one is the one you immediately knew the tune of. Devil's Advocate, I don't know the tune of that song. I was just guessing. that that's how it went. Thanks, Chuck. Very decent of you. Liddell, right? Is that what we're talking about? Let's see. That was 10,000. Yes. Conquest 3D, nice. I have migraines and head and neck aches. Take Advil, Clay. Yeah, Mitch, I could, man. But if it's from sitting here and if it was from like slightly looking down, I get it. I'll just adjust my posture a little bit. Fact, that song makes me think of my mom. Devil's Advocate. Song makes me think of your mom. Never mind. Clearbro, you ever look at Alex Becker's channel? I don't think so. I hate apples. Boy, the man is arrogant and he admits it. He just confessed that he sold BTC at 65,000 despite telling everyone how bullish he still is. Sick action. What's he look like, dude? Or what's his thumbnails look like? Because I don't know if I've ever... So I will tell you, I don't consistently watch him, but I have seen a lot of videos by a lot of different people. So I imagine, I probably do know who he is, but not exactly sure. But yeah, guys, I still have my Shiba Inu coin. I don't know if now is necessarily the time to be buying. If you guys are worried about that, I don't know if now is the time to be buying Shiba Inu coin. But I still got my Shiba Inu coin. I don't have my sundial anymore, but still got my AMC, still got my Shiba, still got basically everything else that I've been holding. But I don't have any Bitcoin. I'm addicted to the Young Yankin by a lady. Oh, I'm addicted to this song. Where did I get Young? Song Yankin by Lady. I don't know what song that is. Hey guys, how are you? Snowcone, doing good, man. How are you? Shiba's good. Shiba is good, Johnsontown. Shiba is good, man. We're bouncing a little bit right now. Hopefully this bounce continues and the overall bounce in crypto starts to pick back up, man, because I've had about enough of these declines. She was sitting at 26.78 right now. Actually, a pretty nice green line right there. AMC sideways after hours, sitting at 22.78, exactly where it closed. GameStop down 0.5%, sitting at up 130.48. And Prog bouncing slightly after hours, up 1 cent, sitting at $1.92. Almost at 192. My gosh, wouldn't that be nice? And I get some GME. Go both ways. Oh, what is this now? How did I miss so much? Yeah, he messaged earlier there, Clay. Okay, gotcha. There. Now I get some GME. Go. Yeah, I don't have any GME at this point. I never had any GME, actually. Cost average down, YouTube, but I think there's a lot of people are just waiting around to see what happens. Dude, they're waiting around to see what happens, especially with the interest rates. So, that just goes to the whole point of the uncertainty. They're not necessarily waiting around to see if the Federal Reserve raises interest rates. I mean, it's kind of expected at this point that they will. They're more or less waiting to see their stance on raising interest rates. Will they continue to raise interest rates throughout 2022? How high do they plan on raising interest rates? Do they think that raising interest rates will solve the inflation problem? There's a lot of questions surrounding the interest rates and what's going on with them, and those questions are evidence of uncertainty. So the uncertainty out there is what's causing the declines in price. Once people become certain, it's going to be a lot better. Where did we go? You heard my mom doing karaoke too? Yes, Devil's Advocate. I must have, man. I must have. Have you seen Zelda? It was at 0.021, and I was in at 021 and out at 071. Outdoor Smile. Yeah, Zelda Inu, man. We have looked at Zelda Inu on here before. I cannot believe you almost 4x your money on there. Killing it, dude. Killing it. Zelda Inu. Yes. Nice. Dang, man. That must have been nice knowing you did that in a week, too. Well, most likely a week. I don't know when you got in. It's only a week old. Killed it, man. Outdoor Smile, understood the assignment. Why is DWAC restricted? I can't buy any. Conquest 3D, that's actually a good question. I have no idea why it would be restricted right now. DWAC. I know it was running earlier. But I don't know don't know why it would be restricted, man. Doesn't look like it halted or anything. Anybody else have an update on DWAC as to why it would be restricted? Because I don't see it halted or anything like that. Restricted on margin? Very well could have been. Pringleton, I do not know. I do not know. When you say Zelda, my brain reads Link. David. That's not the ticker for Zelda, but I understand the reference there. But I don't know if Link could make you 4x your money in less than a week. My investment in pets not looking good. There's always tomorrow. There is always tomorrow, man. What's up, bro? We still bullish on Shiba, right? Yeah, John. So, I'm definitely bullish on Shiba long term. Short term, I'm indecisive. I don't know what's going to happen to it. I don't know if it's going to break down before it goes back up, or because it's following crypto right now. If crypto continues to see a decline, then I could be bearish on crypto for a while. But that doesn't mean that I'm not bullish on Shiba Inu longer term and bullish on the underlying fundamentals of Shiba Inu. Let's see. I think it's because I use Edward Jones. Very well could be Conquest. Which reminds me, if you don't use Weeble and you want to, make sure to click the link in the description below. Sign up, $100 deposit, 2 free stocks, $5 in free crypto. Click thoughts on computer share. I just opened account. Victor, never used it, man. I've never used it, so I don't know. I don't really know if I would like it or not. Check Elon Goat. Elon Goat. My gosh, they come up with everything. They're building a massive statue for Elon. I think it may go up like crazy if Elon tweets about it. Farfan Tulio. Yes, Elon Goat. Interesting. Elon Goat. I don't know if Elon will tweet about such a thing. But let's see where we're at here. I don't know if Elon will tweet about such a thing. But Elon Goat right here, no market cap yet, fully diluted market cap. If all the shares were outstanding, it would be, or all the coins were outstanding, it would be sitting at $17 million. 0.0017, down a little bit, bouncing back. Was at 0.002 earlier today. And then bounced back. Let's see how long they've been out. They've been out for a while. 4 days, that's not that long. They were 0.0013 as the low, and now they tested 0.003536 and back down to 0.0017 right now. So very interesting. If you guys are interested in that one, make sure to go check it out. You got to look at the fees. So what do the tokenomics look like? So you got a 12% tax on buying and selling, so 12% tax, and this is where all of the coins are going to be going to. Oh, dear God. Dude, the statue's not going to look like that, is it? Dude, I hope the statue don't look like that. Oh, God. Deliver the Elon Goat monument to Elon Musk at his place of work for him to claim. Oh, dear goodness. Oh, my gosh. Dude, if these kids take this statue and deliver it to Tesla, oh, my gosh. Yeah, that's going to make the news. I can tell you that right now. They're probably going to get arrested, but that'll make the news. But quit! I can't use Weeble. It utilizes payment for order flow and gives my information away. My $20 worth of investments will be traded on the less lit pool. No! Devil's advocate, it's alright, man. It's alright. If you don't want to use payment for order flow, guess what? You don't have to use payment for order flow. If you want to talk about payment for order flow, we can absolutely talk about payment for order flow, because payment for order flow is not that bad, man. Devil's advocate trying to play devil's advocate over here, and he knows the payment for order flow is not that bad. I bet you $100 I can take that statue and create an entire religion around it. 10 to 1 odds I can also gain a following. Devil's advocate, I wouldn't doubt it, man. Wouldn't doubt it. It's a pretty good statue there. Also, pretty weird statue. So if they deliver that thing to Tesla, if Elon Musk does not have a very nice sense of humor, that'll be pretty interesting to see how that plays out. I have a serious question. Serious answer then, Mitch. If I understand correctly, will the rising bond yields cause major institutional sell-offs, dropping the market 10 to 20%? Is it the yields? So yes, Mitch. It all has to do. I remember there was a time back in AMC when it all was the bonds. It's all in the bonds. It's in the bonds. Unlimited naked shorts within the bonds. Well, that's not true, right? That's never been true. But yes, so what you're looking at right here, rising interest rates. As interest rates rise, that basically means that these bond yields will be rising. And as they if they speed up the purchase of these bonds too, and then they just taper it off and they're no longer buying the bonds, the bond yields can rise as well. So increasing interest rates, let's just use an example, okay? 30-year treasury bond for the United States government. I don't even know what the current rates are, but probably a little over 2%, give or take. If all of a sudden people are making 5% on bonds, which is, I say guaranteed, but we know the United States government can default, right? So, it's like one of the safest investments out there. Nobody's assuming that the U.S. government is going to default. So, if you are guaranteed a 5% return, and knowing that these investors are more than happy with a 7 to 10% annualized gain in the stock market, if you're risking your money for 7% and you're guaranteed 5%, they are going to just leave in just massive quantities and go to bonds. They would much rather have a guaranteed 5% than a risked 7%. So, yes, it all has to do with the interest, the yields. If the yields do not rise, they will continue to keep their money in stocks. As the yields and other investments do rise, they're more than happy to leave and go where their money will grow in a safer manner. Let's see. Vader Protocol. Brian, Vader Protocol coin. I'll look at that in a second. James something. Good. Is there a way I can get Pancake swap if I live in New York? Mariana, I believe yes. Okay? I could be wrong because I do not live in New York. But Pancake swap is decentralized finance. They are, it's basically anybody can add a coin there, and you could be buying a coin that's going to go to 0. You could be buying a coin that's going to 1000x. Like, you never know, but it's not a centralized exchange. So if anybody actually does know that, then let us know in the chat for sure. But I would assume, seeing as how it's decentralized, you would be able to. Mariana, what's up, girl? Big fan of your trench. Oh, my gosh. Mariana's got some very nice dogs, guys. Mariana takes care of a lot of dogs, and Mariana loves animals. Check the website, and you will see is a famous artist making it. I'm not telling anyone to buy it. Just check the website at Floki Fly, because one twit doge rise, because on one twit, I don't know. Farfan Tulio, what? One twit doge follow? One twit doge rise because one twit? I don't know. Dude, I don't know either, man. What am I looking at here? I don't even know what I'm looking at anymore. I'm looking at Floki Fly? I'm supposed to be looking up Floki Fly? See, now I can use to take my kids to the movies and play video. See, now I can use to take my kids to the movies and play video games. But you can't do that anymore, Greg? Is that what you're saying? You can't do that anymore, or what? Yes, I live in New York. You trust me. Gotcha. All right, Paul. Good deal, man. I figured you could, right? I figured you could. I just didn't know, since it is decentralized finance. So, Mariana, I don't know if you have Trust Wallet or not, but if you use one of the the decentralized wallets, one of these off-exchange wallet apps, Trust Wallet is one of them. I have Trust Wallet. Then you should be able to just go to the bottom and find Pancake swap, and then swap for any token you want there. just swinging by to chop the like button. Boom! SD Kalani chopping that like button. Thank you very much. I don't know why, but every time I watch this stream, I hope for nudity and always end up disappointed. Diffie Dog. One day, dude. One day. You might get what you ask for. I highly doubt it. But, dude, you never know what's going to happen. Yeah, there. Listen to Devil's Advocate's advice right there, man. Don't wait for a hero. Be your own hero. Or use KuCoin. KuCoin, okay, very good one. Paul, good advice. I do not live... I don't know all the... Oh, jeez. The get-arounds for New York and all their regulations. I don't know that. Pancake, how you doing, Pancake? Let's see, I live in New York. I saw that. Oh, Saif says, I live in New York, and yes, you can buy Pancake Swap, but buying BNB with Simplex is hard. I usually have my friend load up the BNB out of New York, and then I use it to buy whatever, no issues. Gotcha. Saif, that's something to think about as well, guys. If you may not be able to get the, I guess, coins that you want to swap. That might be the hard way around it. Marty, if you use a VPN and run your computer from another location or location spoofer, you can do whatever you want. Not advice, just an IT nerd saying technically it's possible. David, yes, it is possible, man, but I don't know if Mariana would know how to use a VPN and all of that stuff. So we gotta make things as simple as possible. If there's like 2 or 3 steps involved, people don't want to do it. Trust Swap. Sweet. Thanks, Clay. Yeah, Trust Wallet. Trust Wallet. And then Pancake Swap is what you find. You can find that at the bottom of Trust Wallet. But Trust Wallet is the name of the app. Had to change my name on here because you couldn't pronounce it. Danny. Thank you. All good, though. Danny. Appreciate that, man. Thank you very much, Danny. Let's see. My kids are going to use this when they go to the movies and play at the entertainment center. And that's good utility. I can spend it that way. Great. You got a coin that can be used at the movie theater, in the arcade. You talking about Shiba? What are you talking about here? How much shall I get on Shiba to make 50G? John, it depends. I mean, I don't think you're going to have a hard time making 50 grand if you invest 25 grand. Certainly don't think you're going to have a hard time making 50 grand. You could probably make 50 grand today if you buy $46,000 worth. It just depends on how much you can invest. Sup, Glibra? Let's have a good week. Do it! Monday, out of the way now. Yes, the rest of the week is bound to be better than today was. Not guaranteed, man, but it's bound to be better. A very high likelihood that the rest of the week is going to be better than today. Prague sitting sideways at $1.91. AMC up barely after hours, $22.80, up 2 cents after hours. Shiba sitting at $26.73. GameStop sitting at $131.26. Interesting after hours. Farming down a little after hours to $24.84. Never updates on this screen. I don't know why. Nasdaq closed the day at 14,942, down 0.05%. Half of a tenth of a percent is what I was going to say. Why would I make it so complicated to say that? Thanks, guys. You cracked me up. Mariana. You're welcome. Thank you. Real talk. Post-squeeze. I'm going to treat myself and get some Dominoes. Now, that's what I'm talking about, man. Eat it up. Let's see. Oh, Mitch had a part 1. Did not see Mitch's part 1. Yeah, this is definitely not a channel for tech advice, Stiffy Dog. That's a fact right there. I can't even scroll up now. I think I missed Mitch's part 1, but Clay, part 2. So, okay, so we're way back down here now. So, if the yields go to 5 to 7%, will the market hit a sell-off bottom, or do we expect a steady long decline in the indexes? So, that's going to depend on, I understand what you mean. That's going to depend on how quickly they increase interest rates. And it doesn't have to go to 5 to 7%, man. That's just a number that I was using because the average returns are somewhere between like 7 and 12%. So, knowing that, you might see a steady decline in bond yields. You might see bonds go from 2 to 3 to 4 to 5 to 6. And we might be talking there, they reached 6% second quarter of 2023. We don't know how long this process is going to take. If that's the case, man, you're going to see a steady decline of money. Finally, people saying, well, you know what? I risked it a little bit. Now, 3% wasn't worth it to me, but now 4% is. So I'm going to move over on into bonds. There's some people, 4% is not worth it to them, but 5%, they're moving on over into bonds. And so on. So you will see a steady decline unless there's a drastic increase in interest rates. And personally, I doubt that we see a huge spike up in interest rates. That's not likely to happen. It's more likely to be gradual. Victor! Thank you very much, Mr. Victor. Boom! Mic drop, baby. Oh, yes. Victor, thank you very much. It doesn't sound any different when I go like this, guys. Does it sound any different when I talk right into the microphone? Should I do this or no? You guys like it, don't you? Yeah, it's like those ASMR channels. You're like, oh, yeah. We get Clay ASMR right now. This is just beautiful. Oh, no. Diffie Dog really likes this. I know Diffie Dog's wearing headphones right now, and I'm speaking right into his ear. Thanks, Clay. I got it. Good deal, Mitch. Clay, if nay, when Prague hits, or if not, if nay, when Prague hits $10, I want you to have a Harry Potter marathon and watch them all. How many are there? 3? How many Harry Potters are there? God, a Harry Potter marathon. I mean, like an all-day Saturday. Oh, my gosh. It sounds like you're on Joe Rogan. Well, that sounds perfect then, man. That's the voice we need. Dang it, man. Okay, well, if this is the voice we need, then perfect. It sounds like we're on Joe Rogan. Joe Rogan has better ratings than any other channel out there. So we're going to come over here, and we're going to be talking like this. Bonds declined with Pierce Brosnan and mooned with Daniel Craig. Exactly. Frank likes the bonds. I'm here now, but I'm driving. Moon tomorrow, JB. Yes. 3? Like 7, dude. Dang it, what did I say about 3? Oh! 3 Harry Potters. I was like, what did I say about Harry Potter? Dude, that would be at least 14 hours, man. How am I supposed to have a Harry Potter marathon? There's not even 14 hours in a day. Click. We love your ASMR. Mariana, I did not know that that's what ASMR stood for. Autonomous Sensory Meridian Response? Nope, I had no idea. That's what ASMR stood for. I bet you're very quiet when you... What? Come off? I bet you're very quiet when you... Come off. John James, are you talking about... Like when I turn off the stream? I'm not going to lie, dude. Yeah, I am pretty quiet because what am I going to do? So you're going to talk to myself? So if that's what you're referring to, John James, that is absolutely correct. I think that would make me crazy. So John James is correct. I'll send you a spork to help free up time when you watch, and you're welcome. Well, thank you very much, Devil's Advocate. I believe he means you probably don't talk much off camera. I thought he meant, like, literally, like, when I'm just sitting here, or in general. I think that's what he means. No, dude, I would say it depends, man. I would say it depends on, like, what I'm doing, who I'm around. If I'm having fun, shoot, dude, I'll talk all day. I'll talk all night. I'll talk all day. I can talk all day. Off camera, though, no, I really don't talk that much because... What am I going to do, man? I talk to Chip, bro, but... you crack me up. Devil Advocate also cracks me up, too, in a good way. Yeah, it all depends, though, man. It all depends. Like, if I'm... It all depends. Twerk, Clay, bro, twerk. What? Antics. It's way too cold for that, man. It's way too cold for that. We'll do that later. We can't do that now. I just saw Mariana's video, and she gives Clay, bro, way too much. Nah, dude. Never. Diffie Dog. Impossible, man. Impossible. Please explain how it would crack you up in a bad way. I think that was... No, man. I think I come off as, like, quiet off camera in a good way or something. And then that was John James saying the other way. Like, No. Too much time in the day. Paul Wright, there's not enough time in the day, man. There's not enough. We need more time in the day. My gosh, dude. I might have to take some Advil or something because my neck is killing me. Yes, Mariana, how about you thank me on your next video? How about you do it, Diffie Dog? What would you do, Diffie Dog, if she did? What would you do? Oh, we need to dance or sing. Paul, that sounds like a great idea. We should dance or sing, man. If we do that, we're all going to be in a better mood. We can take the red days if all we do is dance and sing. We've got AMC sitting sideways right now, down 0.18% after hours. Shiba sitting down 5% on the day at 26.75. I mean, it looks like a nice increase here, but literally this is 50 points. I don't even think that would barely cover the spread on Webull. GameStop sitting down 0.5% after hours, 130.95 right now. Jumped up a little bit, only down 0.16% right now. And Prague sitting flat after hours, literally no trades. Look at this, dude bought one share of Prague. Who bought one share? It was $1.90. Bought one share. Dark Blade, man. Thank you very much, Dark Blade, for the super chat. Absolutely appreciate it. And thank you, Dark Blade. Dark Blade, man. Thank you for the super sticker. Dark Blade, you know what I say to you? Thank you for the super sticker. Dark Blade, thank you very much for the super sticker. Absolutely appreciate it. I like that one. It's very, very easy to do. Thank you, Dark Blade, for the super sticker. Devil's Advocate is a comedian. Yes, he is. Seeing as 50% of my content is literally just thanking Clay. I have no room to debate this topic. I thought about trash talking and had to stop myself. Oh! It's alright, though, dude. It's alright. Make some more videos, and then it'll be like 25% of your content. 12% of your content. 8% of your content. You're going to be doing good. And Clay messaged earlier, what happened toward the end of the day with AMC? Yeah, Funky Man 300. I remember you messaged earlier. So I don't think that too much was going on end of day with AMC. We did come back up a little bit, but I don't think it, I think it's just bouncing off. I think it's all technical right now. I don't think there's any like great news surrounding AMC. I don't think there's any new breakthroughs surrounding AMC that was like causing this bounce back up. I think it was just, you know, traders started to buy back here and started bouncing up. So they continued adding their positions and watched it rise. Simple as that. Bro, turn your bro ladder around. Dylan, I could, man, but the other side doesn't light up. The other side doesn't light up. So if I turn it around, it's not right. I'm going to have to try it in the video tonight. I'm going to have to try it in the video. If it doesn't work in the video, I can always like make it backwards and make it say orb. When was the last Chip? This morning, Nufo. So I sat there for about a half hour watching Chip Bro eat this morning. All the sunflower seeds were frozen together, and he was literally like, he jumped in his bowl and just started scratching to tear them all apart. And then, like, whatever he could get apart, he was eating it in the bowl. I feel like I'm so far down with AMC, even though it's only a few dollars. Yeah, Devin. It feels that way, man, because we've just been declining for so long now that it's kind of, I don't want to say emotional, but it feels worse than it probably is. I got to keep my 50-50 ratio, so if I ever upload anything else, it'll be followed by me listening to sad music in the rain outside, followed by me inside dry watching Clay, and how much my life improved. Devil's Advocate, that actually sounds like a pretty nice infomercial, man. It does. I should, oh God, you know how everybody makes fun of me for Webull? I should make an affiliate link for my channel, and then you guys could do like an infomercial, like Devil's Advocate just said. You guys could be outside in the rain, all sad, it's black and white, and then all of a sudden you come inside and you're like, oh, and then you could say subscribe to Clay Bro's channel, and you get an affiliate link, and then, I don't know, you win, we could do like, I don't know, NFTs or something. You can win an NFT. It's an upgrade for sure. Do it! Good deal, man. Good deal. We're going to make it even better, though. Don't worry about that. Chip Bro is dead. A weekend at Bernie's, currently stuffed and hung on a wall in an Ohio wood cabin. Dippy dog, that is a lie. I saw Chip Bro this morning. I actually have 3 pictures. I will 100% make a fake commercial for Weeble. It'll be one of those 90s videos you'd watch in school. Just horrible. Dude, you should make one of those. People would love that. It might go viral. You should make one of those for the Claybro channel then, instead of just Weeble. Did you see Robinhood's rather strange tweet? Gorgeous, gorgeous girls invest in their future selves. Pringleton, no. I did not see that tweet, but it's very weird, man. It's very weird. I did see a tweet. Now I think she's the chief operating officer for Robinhood Crypto. Christine something, maybe, is her name. Christine Brown, maybe. Yeah. She posted, like, last week when they were talking about, I think it was last week, could have been over the weekend, when they were talking about the release of crypto wallets. And she was saying that we need to make it, we need to make it easier, we need to make it better for women to invest. And it was very strange because a lot of the comments were like, nothing is stopping women from buying crypto. They can go out and buy it if they want. And a lot of people in the comments, even because there's a lot of girls on Twitter too that are in AMC, that are in Shiba Inu coin. Like, clearly, you guys know how to go out there and buy crypto. It was just very strange to me. And now, if they're doing some marketing campaign on gorgeous, gorgeous girls invest in themselves, yeah, I don't know what they're focused on that for, man. It's really weird. Let's see. No, Devin, I don't know anything about VV, man. AMC taking small steps forward and then taking giant leaps backwards. Stay strong and patient. AMC to Pluto. Nufo. Yes, AMC does seem to be dropping 5-10%, jumping 3%. Dropping 5-10%, jumping 3%. Clear. So tired of all the hype with AMC creating false hope. Original January holders getting nervous was up big in June. It didn't sell a share. I need $400 to $500 a share. Do you think I will be okay? So Jim, let me break this down for you because, on one hand, I'm going to try and keep you motivated. On the other hand, I'm going to try to be real with you. Hypothetical 1 to 10. 10 being that it cheated from the Cheetos how cheesy you want it. If I did make a Claybro commercial, dude, always go hard, man. Always go hard. Never go soft. So anyway, talking about AMC squeezing and whether or not you should be worried if I think it's possible and all that. Guys, this dude, man. Who's Andy? Nobody knows who Andy is. Okay. Now, back to Jim. All right, Jim. So if you're worried about AMC rising again, here's the deal. Yes, we did run up in June, and it was a very nice run up, okay? And if you're asking whether or not we're going to run there again, I do think that we will. Now, here's the deal on whether or not I think that we're going to be breaking $400, $500, $1,000 per share, and so on. The problem at this point is now, see, when we broke up before, and when we broke past $20, and then when we broke past $30 per share, there was literally there's no resistance whatsoever. We were on a brand new, fresh chart with no reason for anybody to sell. No reason for technical traders to sell. No resistance. No reason for the FOMO buyers to sell. There's nothing to stop the price from moving higher. Yet they did. These idiots went out there, and I say that with, no respect. It's $69 per share. There were very heavy sell orders coming in because people think that 69 is funny. 69, sure, funny, but why would you limit the amount of money that you can gain based on some stupid funny number? So knowing that, if we do rise again, there's going to be a lot of people, not like yourself, I'm not saying you, but there's going to be a lot of people who say, you know what, I am absolutely fed up with this. Now, these people had the mentality before that they were going to hold forever, and they did. You know, we held through June. We ran all the way up to $70-some and all the way back down. So there is going to be a shift in a lot of people's mindset that says, well, this is stupid. We didn't squeeze before running up. We're not going to squeeze this time. I'm going to take advantage of this run now. And if we do run back up to $50, $60, $70 per share, and it is retail investors buying and not yet the short squeeze, you're going to find a lot of people more willing to sell their shares and take that profit than you did before. They have the mindset now that if they can just break even and get out from under their loss, that's what they're going to do. And unfortunately, that could limit the squeeze. If we don't have enough people holding that the hedge funds can't get their shares. I missed the good old days when AMC was trading in the 40s. Newfo! Me too, man. Why not 690? Exactly. Devil's advocate. I would have rather them laughed at 420.69 like they all said they were originally going to do. Like 420.69. Laugh at that one, not 69. Hoyt is a pioneer for winning crypto. You pay Cisbro 1 whole Shiba per coin. Yes, exactly. Per hoodie. Pringleton, that's exactly right. I'm a pioneer of women's crypto. Rocket! Thank you very much for the super chat. Back. What a day.
Rocket, I am glad that you had a good day. I don't know if it was difficult or not, but you are entering the Claybro ASMR stock channel. Yeah, that's about enough of that.
He's alive. Rocket is alive. Dunno. It's the little boy that owns him, Andy. The cowboy is Woody. Yes, the cowboy is Woody. The cowboy in Toy Story is owned by Andy. Fact. Shiba will go to 0.001300, but will hit 2300 free fall. Yeah, dude, if we do break through 2300, it's very high. You are right, man. John James Power, we're likely to go back down. I would say even lower than that. I would say 1,000. I would say we got a little support at 2,000. If we break through that as well, dude, you're talking 1,000 points per coin. Coolest Mike, Clay, bro, is creepy. Frodo, I would 100% agree with you, man. Love you, Clay. Love you too, Rocket. Love you too, man. Good end of the day there, right? When Lauren taps in, give her the sexy voice. For sure, Outdoor. For sure. I like the way Outdoor says it's a sexy voice. Rocket, whenever we meet up in real life, IRL, I know what that is. I'm pretty sure thanks to, what's her name, Leah. Help me make a commercial for this channel. The more cheese, the better. Imagine we're at Olive Garden and we never say when. That's how. Cheesy. That's a good amount of cheese, man. I think we moon in 3 weeks. Hey, if we do, that'll be great. That'll be what? End of... What is that? Beginning of February then? Beginning of February. Very end of January, beginning of February. She breaks 2,300. My gosh, teens income. Yeah, Randy. It's true, man. It's true. There's not much support below that. The only way that I think we're really going to be able to hold up in that case is if Shiba kind of breaks down before Bitcoin does, and then Shiba breaks down and goes below 2,100 points per coin, and then that's when Bitcoin is at 40,000 again, and then bounces back up. We could see Shiba Inu coin rise at that point without breaking that level. I agree, Frank. What did Frank say? Against limit orders whenever possible. Market orders or limit orders? Yeah, listen, Grains. That all depends, too, on what your goals are. So, limit orders, man, they're going to guarantee your price. But if you're talking about, like, during the squeeze, limit orders, great. But if things are extremely volatile and you're afraid that you're not going to get filled, you're going to want to use a market order because it's going to guarantee you get filled. Just doesn't necessarily guarantee what price you get filled at. Not selling no matter how low AMC goes. The rise will be fun. Yeah, DD214, man. I don't plan on selling either. I mean, I could hold my AMC for another 10 years if I need to. I don't plan on selling my AMC at all until the short squeeze happens, man. Even if the short squeeze completely disappoints me, I still plan on holding until the short squeeze is over. Very, very, very good news regarding new contractor Samuel. Very. Now that's what I like. I like good news, but I really, really, really like very, very, very good news. Thanks, Clay, bro. You're the man. You're the man, Grains. You're the man, dude. Clay mentioned the importance of choosing guaranteed 5% gains over a risk 7% market versus limit order in the same kind of concept. Yeah, I mean, that's true. That's true. Especially if it's extremely volatile and you're not sure that your price is going to get hit, right? Exact same deal, man. That just goes to the old saying, what, a bird in hand is worth two in the bush? I mean, come on. Sometimes it is. Sometimes it ain't. Depends on how much you guys want to risk. Rocket must not have been that good because I didn't get a text and excitement sent to the cellular device. Oh my gosh. Is the Ohio backyard, bro, barbecue happening for sure this year? Clay, bro. Dude, I don't know. Is the squeeze happening for sure this year? If it is, then yes. If not, then no. Frank is highly underrated. Dang, man. Shh. What about me, man? Am I underrated too? Please tell me I'm underrated. Please tell me I'm underrated. I want to be underrated. I'm a groomer, so there is no... Oh my gosh. The shrubbery. Outdoors. Dark Blade needs some updates with Playside Studios and Oshiverse. Feels kind of stagnant. Haven't heard much. I'm thinking March, hopefully. Been nothing but yeah, Dark Blade, man. You're absolutely right. And I don't want to say it's more difficult to hold during times like that, because I know that if they are working, they literally don't have updates daily. You know what I mean? Like, they don't have... Well, today we wrote one more line of code. Well, today we integrated new graphics. Well, today we hired a new person to design the interface. Well, today the focus group went great. Like, I don't really think we need those kind of updates. Or, oh, Johnny went to the water cooler. Now he's coming back. More work getting done. Like, I don't think we need those type of updates, man. But, yeah, I do think a lot of people look to social media and what these developers got going on in order to stay excited about the project. Road trip to Ohio, let's get it. Clay Rose AAA rated. Grains, now that's what I'm talking about, man. Grains, how dare you not say I'm underrated and Clay is underrated? You're underrated. At least exciting food. What? The least exciting food group, proteins, are better than grains. Oh my gosh. Spread love. Oh yes, Claybro Triple A. Thank you very much, Frank. Underrated all day. I'm underrated all day. Thank you, JB. By one prog, I did. Rumpe, that was you. That was you that did it, man. Well, I knew it was somebody. Look. One share on prog traded right here. Did you buy it at 4.24 today, man? Did you buy it after hours, 4.24? One share on prog being traded. It's about as lame as can be. Right, even some tweets. Yeah, dude, some tweets. I mean, we don't need, like, super lame updates. Like, John went to the water jug to get some water today. But they should give us something, man. Because a lot of people look to it to stay excited. What's up, bro? I'm holding 74 shares and adding since the end of May and not selling until the time is right and I'm rich. Zach Osborne. Very nice, man. Who's going to the Super Bowl? Are you talking about the teams, or are you literally asking people that are going to the Super Bowl? Because I have no idea. I don't even know who's, like, still alive. I wish that one share was mine. That person owns that 1 minute candle. Yes, Frank, that person does own that 1 minute candle. Without that candle, or without that one share, that candle wouldn't even exist. You guys heard MDT token. John, I have not heard of MDT token, man. Let's see. Tom Brady. Tom Brady's still in. Is he going to the Super Bowl? MDD token. Anything good going on with that? Measurable data or literally MD token? What's the symbol? MDDK or MDT? Screenshot it, frame it, and hang it up in the bedroom. What's that? Oh, that thing? That's my Prague candle, baby. Oh, yes. Mine and mine only. I know for a fact Devil's Advocate might do that. I think he might actually hang his Prague candle up in the bedroom there. Then celebrate with what? Blue pumpkins after they've been destroyed? Perhaps I just got into investing at the wrong time, but honestly, all the information is really overwhelming. Who and what do you listen to? Is too much information just too much? I need direction. So, Tanya, yes, too much information is called noise, okay? And if you, here's the thing that you will learn now, as I'm telling you, and if you don't just take my word for it, then you will learn it, I guess, the hard way, or it will take you a longer time to learn it. I can tell you something's going up, and nearly for the exact same reasons, somebody could tell you that it is going down, all right? I could sit here and all day lay out a perfect argument as to why Shiba Inu coin is going to go up in value. Somebody else could come along and lay out a perfectly good argument as to why Shiba Inu coin is going to go down. Exact same time frame, potentially the exact same reasoning. Now, you are going to get this literally across the board. It doesn't matter if you're talking about individual stocks. It doesn't matter if you're talking about the market as a whole. It doesn't matter if you're talking about the global economy. Everybody will have a reason for everything doing everything. You can absolutely get caught up in way too much information, in way too much noise. Now, the problem becomes yours to filter through that noise. Do you simply want to listen to one person, or do you simply want to follow one, I guess, track or mentality, but you will always have a decision to make? The decision is actually simple, up or down. I mean, that's the only thing you got to do. Up or down is the decision you have to make. But you will have unlimited inputs as to what's going to happen. Now, if you did get in the last couple of months, yes, you probably did get in at a bad time. Very high, unexpected peak, and we've got the Federal Reserve right now talking about raising interest rates. So that's difficult. But longer term, you are not going to be upset with getting into the stock market and beginning to invest. Tanya, I will take a call from you to help take the noise away. Diffy Dog, do it, man. Playing a bit. We ended the day on a George W. in the chart. I don't understand how it's shooting up at the end of the day like this constantly. It's the short, then buy, and low volumes, just to short again and again and again. Planet Beta, yeah, if you think they're shorting, I think it's just selling. I don't think it's always shorting, taking the stock down. What's up, Clay Mop? Still in the fight, I see. Absolutely, Agent Jack Stone. Clay, always tell you when something is going up. Ask Lauren. I will always, yeah. If you guys want to know. Oh my God. It's a bit like us with AMC. We can find manipulation in every single drop of the stock when that's just Pringleton. Yeah, man. Yeah, honestly, it's true. It is true, and. That's the thing, man. You know, you got people that are going to tell you it's going to go down. People are going to tell you it's going to go up. People are going to tell you it's manipulated. People are going to tell you it's not manipulated. If you take everything into account, it's way too much. Fact, that's actually why I find the stock market to be such a beautiful thing. If you're good, you're good. If you're not, you're not. Right is right. Doesn't matter your race, age, gender, or history. Yeah, dude. I mean, that is true. It does not matter. It does not matter. If you know what to look for, if you understand who you are, because I'm telling you right now, guys, 90% of investing is probably just psychology, determining what you're comfortable with and what you like. Because if you like it, you'll be back tomorrow. If you don't like it, you're going to give up. Tanya, feel free to subscribe to my channel. Very nice. Go over stocks as well. Been following Shiba and believe in the process. Like what you have to say. Thank you. Thank you very much, Tanya. You know, and look, I don't always have the right answer either. I'm never going to sit up here and tell you that I'm the end-all, be-all, and I've got the right answer. The best I could ever hope to do, aside from having fun and, getting you guys interested in happy investing and stuff like that, is for you to have the confidence that whether you're right or wrong, you will be back tomorrow. You're going to give it another shot tomorrow. Even if you were wrong today, you are going to be back tomorrow, and you're going to take another shot at it. I know it sounds bad, but would adding another zero back to Shiba help the burn rate and raise prices overall? Help people? Yeah, dividend portfolio. It doesn't sound bad at all, man. It absolutely would. If I asked questions, they would be skipped it. Paul! Never, man. I never skip over anybody's questions. I know it sounds bad. So, no, dividend, it's not bad. But if we did add another zero, yes, it would be better. It would be 10 times better to burn the coins. We could burn 10 times as much for the same amount of money. And people in AMC will literally be outside right about to mow the lawn, pull the lawnmower, start the cord thing, doesn't start, immediately yells, manipulation, you darn citadel, my lawnmower is not working. Clay Prog Pill knows when you've just watched the Laviat's video. Very cool. It is very cool. Clay always has the right answer. JB, I wish I did, man. Hey, not the end all be all. In the video game where we fight YouTubers, Clay isn't in Clay's final form. His final form is Chip Bro. Facts, man. Facts. Rocket! One thing, a person I allow myself to be manipulated by is Shayna. Shayna, are you in here? Shoot, man, I'll never let Shayna manipulate me. I don't know what you guys are talking about on that one. Did someone say my name before? Yes!
Lauren, I hope you had a wonderful day today. I don't know if you're in bed right now, but I hope you enjoy your night, and sorry for the creepy voice in your ear.
Closing time, so finish your whiskey or beer. Closing time. I don't know if you're going home, but you don't have to go home, but you can't stay here. Facts, guys. It is 5 o'clock. We are leaving. Thank you guys very much for hanging out with us, having some fun. Get your names in the chat for a shout out. Rocket Man, thank you very much for Rocket Man. Oh, I like it. Rocket, thank you very much for the super chat. Lauren, thank you very much for coming in here, making my day just that much better. Sexy Voice, Outdoor Smile, thank you very much. Let's get these shout outs going, guys. 2 more videos tonight. Make sure to watch them, share them, good, all that good stuff. Thanks for hanging out, having fun with me. We've got Lauren, Paul, Dividend Portfolio, Rocket, Lauren, Outdoor Smile, Pringleton, John James, Crypto Racketeer, boom, dabbing on like always, baby. Outdoor Smile, Saif, JB, Dunnell, bye to you as well. Saif, bye-bye, Julie Miller. Hope you enjoyed the beach today. Shitsu Inu, Rumpe, likes blue pumpkins, Hungry Chair. Shout out to you. Have a great day, Frank, Devin, Zach, Lauren. Wow, I have some amazing new earphones, and that was intense. Oh my goodness. Shoot, I didn't even know you were wearing earphones right now, Lauren. Perfect. Gorilla Invictus, peace out to you. David Knight, dude. Pringleton, Devil's Advocates. I know who I want to take me home. Rocket, exactly. Grains, take care as well. John James, thank you, man. SD, good show, Clay, bro. Thank you very much, SD. Enjoy your evening, man. Frodo, see you later. DD214, Quentin, Bide, Pringleton, John, Maxwell, Stacks Ape Nation, Paul, Nate, see you later. All right. Oh, Brett Sky, thank you, just got here. See you, bro, just got here, just leaving. Gene, Eric White, see you guys. AMC Trapper says, peace out to the diamond-handed. We couldn't even end if we didn't say peace out to the diamond-handed apes. Frodo, great show, Clay. Thank you very much, Frodo. Appreciate that. Darkblade Fire. Yes, man. Bye-bye, Mitch. See ya. Good night, fam. JB. All right, man. Devil's Advocate, later to you. Lauren. Seriously, Lauren, enjoy your night. All right, we'll end it on that one. Good night, Lauren. And if you guys want to say it with me, say it with me. Until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.